Okay, let's click on the Tables button on the Objects bar, and then we'll click on New, and we'll select Design View, and OK. And now click in the first name field box, which is probably already selected, and let's type date, and then tab across to the data type field, and from the drop list we'll select date time, and then we'll click in the format field area, and we want to select medium date from the drop list, and then click in the caption field and view what that field is used for, and then we'll click in the second field name box and type description, and we'll tab across into the data type field, and we'll leave that as text, but we'll change the field size to 100. And now click in the third field name box and type installed by as one word, and tab across, and we'll leave that as text, and we'll set the field size to 50, well that's there by default, and then click in the caption field and call that installed by with a space between the words. Now let's click the View button, and yes, we want to save the table, and we'll call it Table Upgrades, TBL Upgrades, and click OK. And yes, we'll let access providers with a primary key field, and let's tab off of the auto number field and type 9-8-2002 as the date, and tab across and type CD-RW, and tab across, and Dave installed it. And then we'll tab off of that field and click the View button, and let's click in on the date field name, and then go to the Insert menu and Rows, and let's type Computer ID, and we'll tab across and select Number as the data type, and from the field size we'll select integer, and then click the View button, and yes, we'll save it, and in the Computer ID field we'll enter 2 and tab off of it, and then we can close the table, and let's click on New again and select Table Wizard and click OK. And let's scroll down in the sample tables list and select suppliers, and we'll select supplier ID and click the Move Over button, and supplier name and move that across, and we want to move across address and city and state or province and postal code, and scroll down and find phone number and move that across. And now click on postal code and click the Rename Field button, and let's type zip, and then click OK, and let's click Next, and we'll name it Table Companies, TBL Companies, and click Next, and yeah, let's click Next and Finish, and then we can close the table.